So I got 3 letters. One was what I earned this month in the hotel. One was 2 of my books from the school in France. I got now 5 of 6. One like this one is missing. I think it was the 5th grade. I think they kept it because they liked it. And this one is my stickers, I think. No, it's not. It's my planner from Amazon. Not for real resale. Okay. Hi guys. Yeah, I have to try to find the right layout for my new planner, and as this new planner has this rainbow lines design, I'm thinking about using this spread or double-sided page for one episode of one series, but in 6 languages. And I want to try it here so that I know how I can possibly do this. And first of all, I need my sticker. So I will design a sticker of 6 and take this. Yeah, you can't really see it. I think it's 2 rows, what are they? Those are rows and those are columns. Yeah, 2 columns, 3 rows. And I will put the so where are they now? It's incredible. I always have to go first into the photo app to make, like, I sent this from my iPad to here, and now from these 6 I will make an album so that I can easily access them from the app, because otherwise I just don't know where they are. Logo, hiking guide. Now I made an album now, and then go back to the mini print app, and instead of all photos I now take logo, hiking guide, and there they are. This, oh, you can't see, they are still loading. It's too hot for everything. That's so demotivating. It's too hot to work, it's too hot to stay in the car. It's so hot that all people are near the river, so that I can't bath without clothes. And it's sometimes too hot for the MacBook. And for the iPhone, it's still loading. So I thought about maybe sketching it out first, but where are my pens? Because I had them in the morning. And where did I put them? Oh, I know. In this bag, but in this part of the bag. So it's still loading. Incredible. So let it load. So I need this one to sketch something out, because that's one that's erasable, and I need my table, and I will put you above me here. Get one of my planners now, either on Shopify or on Amazon, or check out my sticker sheets. They are very beautiful. All links, as always, in the description. And now have a lot of fun. So, yeah, hi. So I want to do this here. Although normally I don't like to use it like this. I like it more like that here. But I think in my new planner it's better to use it like this. Because like this it doesn't really make sense. Or maybe yes. Maybe if I use this as a big column to put the 6 stickers with the logos, and then the steps here, and then this can be for checks or smileys or whatever. And then maybe I should do half of the steps here and half of the steps here. No. Maybe 3 languages here and 3 languages here. And then, I don't know, all the steps. I can write them here and then just, I don't know, put a sticker on it, like a flower or heart or something. I don't have any stickers here at the moment. In the back, they are in the back. But yeah, let me check the length. So 12.5 centimeters for 3, so okay, 12, that's 4, and then yeah, then 1 centimeter, it's 13 centimeters. 1 centimeter to write the episode. Yep. So let me try here. Yeah, this is less than 12. So I can't really do it like in my other planner. So I will take 9 and 1 centimeter. So the 1 centimeter here on the left, and then 3, 3, 3. How much did I leave here? 0.6. Then 1 centimeter and 4, 7, 3. 0.6, 1, 4, 7, 3, and then the sticker. How broad is the sticker? So this is the hole, and it's 4 and 5, so 2.5 No, it's not possible because it has to be. Oh no, okay. So no, second one is English, third one is French, then Spanish, then Italian, then Russian. I don't think that it's in the right order now. Oh yeah, it is. That's great. Okay, and I don't need any borders. Okay. And I have some stickers in this bag, but they are box stickers. I don't know, do I want to have my tasks in box stickers or not? They are too big. What about this one with lines? 4, 8 maybe. How many tasks do I have? So yeah, 8, but each of them has several sub-steps. Can you say sub-steps? No, I think the boxes are not what I can use. Not even on this one, no. Or I use several of those. First of all, these are very tiny, but okay. I have to look how much space I have. I need my scissors. Well, let me draw the table first, then I can put them directly. I don't want them to get lost. Yeah, why did I put the centimeter down here? Is there a centimeter up there? There is. Yeah, it's because I wanted it over 2 pages. That's okay. What's the matter? Why doesn't this work? I think my pen is nearly empty. Yeah, I think that's the end of my pen. Okay, that's it. So I will use the green one because I don't know if I have another blue one somewhere. Let's redo those in green as well. Yes. And so, and now 3, that's 20. So let's take 18. Or I don't know, 21, 7. 6 and 3. No. 6 and 3. I don't know. Let's take this part with 18, 12, 6 and 0. It's not perfect, but it's okay. And then this part, same design. So no. 1 centimeter, 4, 7,